Tesla Model Y is an option if you're looking for a unique-looking EV, while Rivian RS1 is the optimal choice if you want to get from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.0 seconds. Which features of an EV are most important to you? Watch as we compare Rivian R1S versus 2022 Tesla Model Y. Specs, prices, range, and more. It is no secret that Rivian and Tesla are two of the world's most popular electric vehicle manufacturers. According to RJ Scaringe, founder of Rivian, the R1S was designed to take families, friends, dogs, and all your gear on long road trips to the places you love. Discover which works best for you as we compare and contrast the two. Rivian R1S versus Tesla Model Y. Specs. In the realm of electric automobiles, the Rivian R1S and Tesla Model Y are two that have found considerable success. Both are SUVs, and both provide room for a sizable group of people and their belongings. The R1S is more opulent, but the Model Y is more functional in everyday life. Autopilot, Tesla's semi-autonomous driving technology, comes standard and is widely regarded as a technological marvel that rides on Google's base navigation system. The R1S, on the other hand, includes Rivian's Driver Plus suite of driver aids. This package offers everything you need, including automatic emergency braking and adaptive cruise control. Moving on, the Model Y's central infotainment display is a massive, narrow touchscreen that is both bright and crisp and acts as a hub of the dashboard, managing practically every feature and displaying statistics for anything from the temperature to the vehicle's speed. For Rivian R1S, essential features such as navigation, media, and climate settings are always accessible at the bottom of the horizontally mounted display and are accessed via expandable tiles. Rivian offers accessories like surfboard racks and roof mount tents for camping trips, since the company fantasizes that its customers would use their vehicles on all sorts of thrilling off-road adventures. Regarding specs, there is not much of a difference. Perhaps the distinctive features are in their appearance. If so, in the next few minutes, we'll see a face-off between the designs of these two luxury automobiles. Rivian R1S versus Tesla Model Y. Performance. When it comes to overall performance, both the Rivian R1S and the Tesla Model Y are excellent options to consider. The R1S can reach a speed of 155 miles per hour and accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour within 3.5 seconds. On the other hand, the Model Y can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour within 4.4 seconds with a speed of 150 miles per hour. Amazingly, the combined range of both vehicles is greater than 300 miles on a simple charge. There are some key distinctions to keep in mind between the Rivian R1S and the Tesla Model Y. Despite being excellent alternatives for an SUV, the engine in the R1S is more powerful, giving it an advantage in both acceleration and towing capacity, whereas the Model Y has greater efficiency and a longer range. Even though the Model Y has tremendous acceleration, driving it is not nearly as enjoyable as driving the Rivian R1S, which has an electric motor attached to each wheel, making it an all-wheel drive vehicle with remarkable off-road capabilities. Rivian R1S versus Tesla Model Y. Design. Differences between the Rivian R1S and the Tesla Model Y are numerous. Both of these SUVs have distinctive appearances that set them apart from the competition. The Tesla Model Y is a crossover with a more robust appearance, whereas the Rivian R1S is built for off-roading and looks more like a conventional SUV thanks to its boxier silhouette and increased height above ground. A more aerodynamic and streamlined design can be found in the Tesla Model Y. The Model Y takes heavily from the Model 3 sedan regarding its interior design. It's similar in that there aren't many buttons or dials to fiddle with, and instead, everything from navigation to media is displayed on a massive screen in the middle of the dashboard. Unlike the Model Y, the R1S has many useful features like its split tailgate, large rear cargo area, third-row seating, and 12 cubic foot trunk make it an extremely adaptable vehicle. The R1S's interior is just as lavish, including contemporary design, premium materials such as leather and wood accents, and two enormous screens, one for entertainment, the other for the driver's gauges. How much are we talking of over here? Find out the price of R1S and the Model Y in the next minute, as it might be your fallback if R1S goes above your target. Rivian R1S versus Tesla Model Y. Prices. The adventure package for the R1S is available for a starting price of $78,000. For that price, you can have a dual-motor all-wheel drive with a regular battery pack, while the more expensive options include the quad-motor variant for an additional $8,000 and the large pack battery for an additional $6,000. Pricing for the Model Y begins at $65,990 for the Model Y Long Range and rises to $69,990 for the Model Y Performance. There is also evidence of a base model, all-wheel drive, AWD Model Y that begins at a suggested $60,990. In the realm of electric SUVs, the Rivian R1S and the Tesla Model Y have garnered much interest. Both are luxurious, cutting-edge, and packed with features. Yet the Rivian R1S starts at a higher price point than the Tesla Model Y, despite their similar quality. There are many good arguments for purchasing a high-tech EV like either of these two, but if you're concerned about cost, you should opt for the Model Y, since it has nearly all of the same features as the Rivian R1S, except for those exclusive to the R1S and R1S's superior speed. What qualities do you look for in an EV? Design or specs? Share with us in the comments section below. In spite of everything, the Tesla Model Y is an ergonomic vehicle that makes use of innovative technologies and advanced battery systems. Exactly what cutting-edge features may we anticipate in the year 2023? Watch our video Tesla Model Y 2023 release date and updates. The 0 to 60 mile per hour in 3.5 seconds confirmed. I hope you got a kick out of watching today's video. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in our next video.